Hey there pranksters, welcome back to another fun Nextraker video, and just like the title says, I will be showing you guys 5 creative ways to sneak some food and candy into class using weird looking school supplies that I found at the dollar store. But before we get started with these hacks, I'm happy to announce that we did reach one of our like goals in a previous video. Therefore, I want to congratulate Charlie Dino 28, the winner of the slime making kit giveaway. Of course, you guys know that these giveaways were all made possible by you and your support, and to keep these giveaways going, here are the like goals for this video. Once we get 2,000 likes, I will give away a box of snacks that you can easily sneak into class. At 5,000 likes, I will give away a cool prank kit that will make April Fool's Day so much fun, as you'll be able to pull off some really funny pranks on friends and family. Lastly, if this video gets 12,000 likes, I will give away a PlayStation 4 to someone from the comments. And to participate in these giveaways, all you have to do is like this video and leave a cool comment below telling me who you want to prank on April Fool's Day and why. Remember guys that everyone is eligible to win these giveaways as soon as we reach those like goals. So please like and comment to have a chance to win. And why not, while you're watching this video, please subscribe. Best of luck pranksters. Now let's get these cool life hacks going. Check it out. Alright guys, well let me introduce you to this first item that I got at the dollar store. It's a storage box. It's a bright orange color and it is shaped weird, as you can see right here. These little compartments here are transparent, and most of it is a solid color, you can't really see through it. On top you will have 3 compartments, 2 deep ones and a small one on the front. So normally you would keep this on top of your desk, and on it you would add some school supplies such as colored pencils, some eraser caps to throw off your teachers, and why not some crayons. So normally you would keep this on top of your desk, and inside these compartments you would have other little school supplies that you might need in class. But in reality guys, this is where we're gonna hide our candy. And of course you might be asking yourself, well next, these are transparent, these are see-through, our teachers would see our candy right away. Well, not to worry guys, because here I have 3 strips. I made these cutouts from construction paper, and they are the right size that I can actually put inside each compartment, such as you're gonna see right here. All I gotta do is stick them in and they will adjust to the shape of this compartment, which is half round. So all we need is to cover the front. So there it is guys, it's red. Now we're gonna do some blue. And the bottom compartment will be orange, just like the storage box. See guys, nothing to see here anymore. And now on these, I can add my favorite pieces of candy. For example, some Reese's Pieces. And these will go on the very bottom compartment. Okay, that amount will do. We'll close it up. We'll open up the middle compartment. That one will contain some Mike and Ike. That'll do. And now the top compartment will have some M&ms. That works for me. Let's close it up. Look at this guys. From all angles, this storage box looks like a regular school supply. It looks like it belongs in class, right? So keep this on your desk. And now you have 3 options of candy. Well, if you're craving something small and chocolatey, go for the Reese's Pieces. Or if you want something fruity, go for these, the Mike and Ike. And if you're craving peanuts, well, you got your M&Ms right there. These have the peanuts inside. So no matter what guys, these should hold you up till you get to lunch or till the end of the school day. Here's another weird looking school supply that I found at the dollar store. It's a desktop organizer, according to the label on top. So while playing with this guys, I noticed that it does have 2 compartments. One on the bottom and you can screw it off, see? And then the top one, which you can screw off this lid, and you have 2 different compartments here. Well, I myself am gonna use this to my advantage and put 2 different types of snacks in here. For example, on one of them, I'll have some hot Cheetos. Alright, that amount works for me. I'll twist it on. And on top, I'll have some candy. And my choice of candy will be some lemon heads. These will probably all fit in there. Well, almost, but that's a good amount of lemon heads. And now I'm just gonna twist on the lid. Look at that guys, 2 different types of snacks. chips and candy. So now I can place this on top of my desk and get away with eating candy and chips in class, right? Well, it's not so easy because if you notice, these are see-through, they're transparent, so our teacher would actually be able to see our snacks in there and they might confiscate our snacks, and we don't want that, right? So the best thing you can do is get some non-see-through tape. For example, right here, I have some red tape, which I'm gonna wrap around each compartment and then I will trim down so it looks really nice. So here's my red strip that I've already trimmed. It's gonna wrap all around. All right, perfect. And see guys, now you can't see the hot Cheetos anymore. They're gone. Well, if you look at the bottom, you'll see them right there. But nobody's really gonna look at the bottom, so you're good. Now as far as this other one, I'm gonna choose a different color tape. I'm gonna go with blue. Alright, awesome. Now this is not see-through. And guys, even though I had to do a little bit of extra work with this one, it's totally worth it because I did buy this for $1. And look at that. You can't even tell that I have any snacks in here. So my teacher will be clueless as to what's in here. It does sound like some rattlings going on in there, but it could be school supplies. It could be push pins. It could be paper clips. It could be anything, guys. So when I get a sweet tooth, all I gotta do is unscrew the top. And look at that. My lemon heads are right there. Once these run out, or let's say I'm craving some chips, something spicy, I'll unscrew the top compartment and it will reveal my hot Cheetos, which I can take one and eat. These are plenty of chips to get me through class, and this is plenty of candy to get me through the whole school day. I never really expected to see one of these pens at the dollar store. So while I was at Dollar Tree, I found this pen and I just had to get it. It's like whoever designed this pen made it look this way so that we are able to sneak some candy into class. And by candy, I mean nerds. So if by now you have no idea how this pen works, well, let me show you guys. It's got 10 different colors, so you have 10 options to choose from. So let's say I wanted a red pen. All I gotta do is pull down on the red ink, just like that. And now I can scribble in red. So if I wanted blue, I'll do the same thing. See? Let's do pink. I have never ever seen a brown pen, so let's use that. Wow. Well, anyway guys, you get the idea, right? You have options to choose from, like I said. We know that it's gotta be a thick pen and it's gotta have a compartment in there that will accommodate all the ink tubes. So if I unscrew this pen, half of it will come off. And what I like about this particular bottom half of this pen is that it's not see-through and it's got plenty of room in there for some candy. So what I'm gonna do with the tubes of ink is I'm gonna pull each one of them because we will not be needing them anymore. And I'm sacrificing this pen, but it's totally worth it, guys, because I'll be able to sneak my nerds into class. Let's undo each one of these tubes of ink. And you can always put these back. Just gotta get the color right. All of the colors are still there, so this will definitely help you out because it still looks like a regular multicolored pen. Now I can take my nerds and open them up. And I'll use this flashcard where I have my scribbles on there to make a funnel, which will make it easier for me to fill up this bottom portion of the pen with some nerds. See? Add as much as you can fit in there. Alright, that works for me. Now I'll just screw everything back on. And see, from far away it'll look like a regular multicolored pen. Of course you will not be able to use it anymore because there's no more ink in there. But that's fine, this will act as a secret compartment. So keep this handy in your supply box, and when you want some candy, all you gotta do is unscrew it. And you should have plenty of sugar in there to boost up your energy just in case you're hungry. Look at that. It's a handful of nerds. This right here is an activity tray, and I was not really gonna get one of these because it didn't really catch my attention until I looked at the bottom. but we'll look at the bottom in just a bit. So if you have one of these handy, guys, you guys can place this on top of your desk and put some school supplies in there, such as some notepads, a crayon box, and here I have some jumbo paper clips. So it really doesn't matter what you put on top, just as long as they're school supplies. But here's the thing, before you pull this out of your backpack, make sure you prep this at home. So I'm gonna remove all these school supplies because I'm gonna flip it over. And if you guys see on the bottom, all along the edge, there's room in there to stick candy in between. So that's what we're gonna do. And here I have a handful of candy. It's quite simple, guys. Just stick them in there. Some of them will stay on because it is quite snug. Others you'll have to tape on. Just like this. And like I said, I'm gonna hold everything together with tape. Alright, cool guys, I'm done, and I'm gonna flip it over once more. And see? My candy did not fall off the tray. So, I can put my school supplies back in there. Have this on my desk handy. And when I want some candy, all I gotta do is dig in there from the bottom, take out a piece of candy and enjoy. My teacher will never know that underneath this activity tray, I have some candy. This right here is not a school supply, guys. There's nothing weird about this. It's just regular floss. See? There's some floss in there. And everybody uses floss. Everybody needs floss. So, if your teacher was to catch you with one of these containers of floss, he or she will not say anything. They should not question why you have one of these because most teachers encourage students to take care of their teeth. So if you have some floss handy, you can definitely get away with having it in class. But me, guys, I'm gonna use this to store some candy in there, and the smallest candy that I can think of will be some nerds. You might not think that it's big enough to hold a significant amount in there, but it will be enough to get you through class. So with a pair of scissors, I'm gonna pop off the roll of floss. See guys, we're gonna get rid of it because we do not need it. Now I can take my nerds and fill up the container. See guys, it is a significant amount of nerds. So I'm gonna close this up and that's it. Keep it handy on your desk, on top, inside, hide it within your backpack. But when you want some candy, all you gotta do is take this out, open it up, get some nerds. Look at that. That's a lot of nerds. This is almost like 3 boxes of those little nerds that you get for Halloween. Well, you can have them all in one of these floss containers. There you guys have it. 5 creative ways to sneak your favorite snacks into class using some weird school supplies. These hacks always come in handy when you're starving in class. Now guys, at the start of this video, I gave away another slime making kit and I also announced 3 new giveaways. At 2,000 likes, I will give away a box of snacks. At 5,000 likes, I will give away a prank kit for April Fool's Day. And at 12,000 likes, I'll be giving away a PlayStation 4. And if you wish to participate in these giveaways, all you have to do is like and comment on this video. I'll announce the winner in my next video. Good luck pranksters, thanks for watching.